Going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I decided I'd put the truck back together today. It's moving right along. Had everything clean, going back together, and that's my kit that I got, CTP gasket kit. So anyway, I got to this point, putting the gears on, put the one on top, made sure everything was where it was when I took it apart. So there's two O-rings back here. Anyway, so in the kit, these were only two O-rings it had, and they were too big to replace the ones that I had. And I was like, oh crap, something's wrong. And anyway, so I cleaned up the ones that I had, kept moving along, and like I said, I kept moving along. I got to this point. The gasket behind there is fitting perfect. It's perfect fit. And then I got this gasket over here. It fits just fine. Then I got to this gasket here, and it is completely different. The only thing I can figure is that that must be for a, I don't know what it's for, but it doesn't match my truck. So anyway, so I got a gasket kit on the internet, thinking I would save $500, and it was the wrong kit. So I got this kit for $78, ladies and gentlemen. $78. And I was gonna save myself buku bucks, because I just had to go inside, stop what I'm doing, and order from Caterpillar, and it won't be here until Monday. It's Friday today. $586. So I'm not out $586. This is out the $78 that I paid for this kit. But the good thing is about all this is the first time that I've ever tore the front of a cap, and so it's a learning experience. I got everything lined back up. It was going together just fine until that gasket thing came up. The wrong gasket. I mean, that's not even close. Look, it doesn't even go. That's as high as it goes. Not even close. That one fits. And the ones behind there fit. The O-rings didn't fit. That was the first clue. So, anyway. So, I'll have to tear that back off and clean her back up. I got all weekend to prepare. And it's not half as bad as it was the first time around. So, anyway, it's a learning experience. And anywho, ladies and gentlemen, so yeah, so that's what I was doing, and that's what I did, and that's what I'm going through. And hopefully your weekend is much better than, well, my weekend ain't gonna be bad, but hopefully you have a wonderful weekend. And sometimes we learn the hard way, and the best way to learn is with your pocketbook. You're not likely to forget it. Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. God bless. And later.